you guys, welcome to another edition of Pop Out of the Box 1 with me, Uncle Dan, and I'm going to be unboxing Funko Pop for you guys. And this one is about an old movie that I used to love, and they made a new version of it, and it's pretty cool also. There's like 4 or 5 of them. And that movie is Mad Max. There's a lot of action in Mad Max. It's like in the future where everything went wrong and you try to survive and you try to, things are not good in the world of Mad Max. You got to survive, right? And one guy did pretty good in the world of Mad Max. And I'm not talking about Mad Max himself. I'm talking about a chief of a big organization or a gang or whatever, in the movies, controlling everything, the water and stuff like that, milk also. And well, this version of this pop is that I got, and I'm gonna be opening for you guys, is a chase. A chase. What is a chase? Well, it's another version of a pop that I made, but with a little difference. Pretty much the same, but there's little things that are not the same. And well, this one particular pop is the chase of Immortan Joe.
In this wasteland, I am the one who runs from both the living and the dead. A man reduced to a single instinct. Survive.
It is by my hand! You arise!
Here he is, Immortan Joe. I'm going to show him on the side of the box. That's the regular one, not the chase one, with the mask and everything. It's pretty scary and, but the chase one, you don't have the mask. It's so ugly. Oh my God. His face is ripped off. What the? Anyway, we can't always be beautiful and nice. Sometimes, accidents happen and you do with what you got, right? So I'm going to be opening this chase for you guys. And a chase means that it's worth more than the ordinary, usually. So I'm going to be opening it for you guys anyway. Right now. And here he is, Immortan Joe. So ugly! Oh my God! He's the ruler of the place, and don't cross him because he's a bad dude. You can see him at the back and everything. So you're gonna see him more in details at the end of the video, like always. And well, I hope you're enjoying this. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and hope that you enjoy my other videos as well. And hope you're doing good and fine. And well, see you soon, guys. Bye.